We start with this bridal transformation at our academy, and I first start with the skin prep, which is very important, and the color correction, especially for the areas that are darker on the skin. And then we apply our first base of foundation, which I am blending with a damp blender, and I'm making sure that we have done the lip contour as the model's upper lip is slightly small, and then the highlighting of the areas, the contouring, and now I'm setting the eyebrows, adding some color to the eyes, keeping it very soft and muted. And then I decided to add a little extra gold because the silver was not going with the look. And then it was time to add in the gel liner, and now I am enhancing the eyes. And now the blusher is slightly more dramatic because the eyes are softer, and then adding the highlighter. And of course the lips too are little nude, so that's the reason I had kept the blusher slightly strong, because the eyes and the lips are more soft, so one feature has to be defined a little extra. And then after I put the makeup fixer, I'm drying it out. And yay, that's a pretty bride who's looking so stunning in this nude kind of a makeup. And she's looking so nice, so elegant, because we had to keep the makeup blended with the outfit and the jewelry, as there was a lot of browns and soft hues in her outfit. So that's the reason even the makeup has been kept very soft, and adding some extra glitter, the gold glitter for the little extra shine. Glitter can be added before and also be enhanced later, and you can see how beautiful her eyes are looking. And even while she is in a very close up, she's looking beautiful, and even from far, when the bride will be on stage, she will make an impact. So it's very important when you do the bridal makeup to make sure that the features are elegantly enhanced, and the every feature should stand out on its own, and the bride should look very pretty. And of course, every time if we see something extra to be added, you can do a touch up again. So that's how a bridal makeup is worked upon. And lenses and lashes do add up to the look, so in case if somebody can carry them, you must add it and give it an elegant look.